Yep, basically go down this shit.
Look at this shit. That's definitely my window, bro. Look at the tents.
You can see where they pressed that motherfucker. They pressed that shit shattered the window.
Wanna rape me, run new everything, might take this bitch out safety. Might put them killers on their head just like some baby. I know they plot, but I won't let that little shit fake me. Brand new coupe, I drive it like you stole it. Spin it on the daddy, bitch too fast, I can't control it.
Yeah, my boy. My boy on the street stopping at 1:30 on God. That's no cap. That is. Man.
Look at that shit. These folks, yeah, this is my window.
Yep, basically go down this shit.
Look at this shit. That's definitely my window, bro. Look at the tents.
You can see where they pressed that motherfucker. They pressed that shit shattered the window.
Oh, stole my shit. One even running, y'all. One even running. Shit crazy.
As soon as we do this, we gotta.
How? So they've got some kind of like it's a type of key where they bust the window out and then they put it up against the push start and it reads the VIN. And the car says, yeah, that's the key fob, and then it starts up.
Mm-hmm.
So they did the same thing to the Charger over at the Hilton this morning, too.
Yeah.
So they got 2 chargers last night that we know of. Until somebody else wakes up and their car is missing, we won't know.
Y'all can't check the cameras, nothing like that.
So the detective's gonna come over here soon.
Okay.
Their cameras don't work.
Like,
But what's funny
you can't
is
shoot. How don't their cameras work? Like that's.
they're not connected to a recording thing. So we've got this right here where we can type in. Hold on one second. Hey, I'm over here.
So somebody could die in their parking lot right now and just get away with shit. Hey, that's like, what the hell? That's dumb, bro.
I just stole my shit. No key, nothing. Like.
So what would happen if somebody died right here in their parking lot? Like that's
That's the name of my old times. I mean, what's weird is, and this is what I told him, I can search for every Dodge that has come in and out of this city in a month with this. When I do that, your car doesn't come up. It comes up on Old National, but it doesn't come up on our camera.
he said the cameras don't work, so now we just want a corporate. The police is right here. Exactly.
And he said
Your cameras don't work? Can we?
So, can we get them a number to corporate and then it'll be over?
That's all we ask. What you mean? Because that's an
That's all we're
inconvenience.
asking.
That's how cameras don't work. I came
That's
right
an
here.
inconvenience. How can your cameras don't work?
Who told you camera don't work?
the police officer said those cameras
Yep.
don't work.
So the police officer knows what about my
Your cameras don't work? Can we see the footage? Can we see the footage?
The police is here.
This is how it works.
Can we see the footage?
Then I can't show you no
Why you
footage
can't?
because
If our car got stolen here,
the police has to subpoena me for the footage, not you. So if you
You
don't know how it
subpoena
works,
for the footage?
if you don't know how it works, it's in a police case. This is a police case.
And that's
the
why we
police.
called the police. Because she
Okay,
told us
so
to call
the
the police
police,
for
they'll
the
do the
footage.
investigation, right? Once they do the investigation, part of that investigation,
Call the police for the footage.
One of the ladies that were working up here,
They don't work for the police department. The way the reporting system goes is the reports come in, the officer takes the reports, they go through our CID, Criminal Investigations Division. Within 24 hours, they'll be in contact with the victim, and that's how you get a copy of the footage. Not trying to directly deal with these folks.
but my thing is, we were told that their cameras by a police officer that their cameras don't work.
yeah, you see what I'm
My
saying?
police officer. My police officer.
He said that he was
said-
like, "Can you run the camera back?" He was like, "Those cameras don't work."
She said they don't work.
So they don't work.
But they're saying that
They
the
said
cameras
they
do
do
work.
don't work.
Who's saying they do work?
They said their cameras work. He said they don't work. We need to know. Are we gonna?
He said that
be
camera
able
work.
to-
He said that camera work.
The police officer said they don't work. They can't hear saying they do work.
Like it's just a whole bunch of misconfusion for no reason. Like what the hell? What's so bad about showing us the camera? What is that gonna do for them? Showing us the camera, like how is that gonna do anything at all? Like it's like they hiding something. What the fuck? What are y'all hiding?
Right, it's our property.
Boy,
Alright, so he verified the cameras do work.
Okay, so you would have to subpoena him after the 24 hours. You can't pull that camera,
The
right?
detectives will have to, yes, the detectives will have to do that. So you have a case number. If you want to call the detective, who owns the vehicle?
Me.
You own the vehicle.
Yeah.
All right, so I don't need to be talking to anybody but you. So contact the investigators. You can call them tomorrow.
Do you have a direct number?
You should have got a case card.
I do.
Okay, that's the direct number. Call them, ask to speak to the investigator handling your case, give them the case number, and go from there. These folks can only do what their organization allows.
Yeah, and all we asked was for the corporate number. That's all we had asked for. And she gave us the number to here. And she answered the phone when we tried to call corporate.
Okay.
Like what the hell?
Lately Lately been popping my shit, how I feel like the biggest. These niggas gotta be kidding. I put a switch on the back of the glitz. If I let it bitch go, he gon' die in an inch. If I let it bitch go, he gon' die in a second. I caught that boy lagging, he died with it whipping. I bought that cabin, you not really stepping. If I catch a op, I'ma send on the head.